As you all know, the lockdown has been extended and we all are stuck in our homes for a few more days. While all of you are wondering when this lockdown will end, we decided to talk about it in today's episode. My name is Samarth and you are listening to Raining Chats and Talks. Joining me for this episode is Harman Anand, who is a very close friend. She talks a lot, she parties a lot, and the sad part is that she's stuck in a home right now in the lockdown. And I just want to apologize that the audio quality might not be so good because we're recording this from our respective homes, and she's right now in Jammu. So, Harman, how is the lockdown situation in Jammu right now?
It's as serious as you forget. It's as serious as anything in Jammu and Kashmir is. Including the terrorist attacks and the encounters that are happening, man. Coronavirus एक side पे, but imagine ऐसे situation में भी there are people who want to kill each other.
So what's been up with you like in this lockdown now? I mean, I think it's more than around 50 days that we have been in this lockdown,
Yeah,
and the situation doesn't seem to get any better. So I think we're going to be in this lockdown for the next few more weeks, I guess. So
definitely.
what you have been doing and what are you up to?
Listen, just like today morning, I was complaining to my mom that everyone keeps on telling how boring, this has become for them. But for me, this lockdown has been so happening. कि अब तो मुझे लिटरली लग रहा है मैं बोलूँ बाबा जी प्लीज अभी लॉकडाउन मेरे लिए बोरिंग कर दो बिकॉज सो मेनी थिंग्स have happened, so many people have contacted me. मेरा past future present सब खुल के पड़ा हुआ है and everything is just a mess. So every day something new happens, and I think if you keep yourself busy and if you keep on talking to people and if you keep on doing things and getting creative, it becomes very interesting. I think we should stop complaining because that creates all the negativity.
But there are a lot of good things that have happened in lockdown, right? Like काफी सारी अच्छी चीजें हुई हैं. एयर पोल्यूशन यार काफी कम हो गया है.
काफी कम हो
दिल्ली में
गया
तो बहुत ही ज्यादा कम हो गया है.
I know.
It is averaged around like now 60 70,
I think अब
and
दिल्ली
there was a
वालों को भी
time
तारे दिखते होंगे.
could be चलो कुछ तो दिख रहा है यार कम से कम, like पहले तो वो भी नहीं दिख रहा था. So yeah, the situation has become good only. And रामायण और महाभारत आ गया यार टीवी पे. I think we're living the like 80s and 90s back again.
Yeah,
It feels like that.
yeah, it's very nostalgic. A lot of I've been eating
Although
a
I
lot of
don't
things.
remember because I was too young. मतलब याद तो नहीं है मुझे कैसा था उस टाइम पे. But I think 80s and 90s would have been like this.
मुझे तो अपनी भाई फैमिली के साथ वो गर्मियों की छुट्टी वाली फील आ रही है. I literally feel like I'm back in school or something. मेरा बर्थडे आने वाला है, so I literally feel जैसे घर पे चीजें बनाते थे, खाना बनाते थे, and my daddy is planning my birthday and all of that. तो वो बहुत it feels like we're back in time in a way, but
So at least lockdown has brought people together. I mean, at least with their like families.
I don't think we would have gotten this opportunity otherwise. Imagine my brother is home from college. I am there. Like I had left home 6, 7 years back, and I think the maximum I was in was 10 days. तो मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत बड़ा opportunity है to be back with my family and spending time with them.
So have you been doing the cooking and learning new recipes also now?
I don't think I want to spoil the lockdown. The maximum I can do is help my family out. My dad's a really good cook, and he's very close to Diljit. Oh, by the way, Diljit Dosanjh is inspiring a lot, especially for the Punjabi
भाई
families.
उसकी Instagram stories देख देख के भाई मतलब they're so good.
Something to talk about.
I don't know if he really makes those dishes like really tasty or I don't know that, but they look nice and the whole process of making is nice.
I think it's very
मतलब मेरे को
primitive
ये नहीं
also.
पता.
वो बहुत elaborate को dishes नहीं बना रहा है. He's not making extremely complicated dishes. He's making very simple dishes.
They're still better than the Dalgona coffee at least.
Dalgona coffee is so overestimated. I mean,
The Dalgona coffee looks nice, but when you make it and when you have it and you drink it and like it changes your opinion.
no, I don't
And
think anybody can love Dalgona coffee so much. It's just peer pressure because as soon as I saw the first picture of Dalgona coffee, I was like, dude, mix it. I mean, are you going to drink it like
है ना,
this? And I
exactly
think
exactly.
anyone who's made it has the same opinion कि बना तो लिया है, उसको पीना कैसे है?
And plus Indians have been having the whole Dalgona coffee as the फेटी हुई coffee for so many years now. So मतलब कुछ इतना फर्क है नहीं. It's just that कि वो गर्म दूध में डालते हैं और डालगोना कॉफी में ठंडा दूध यूज होता है. So I don't think there is much of a difference in that.
I think somebody somewhere wanted to be creative and photogenic, and you just made dalgona coffee and made it a drink. That's
But सही
how
है
it
कुछ.
happens these days. You just do anything, and if it has some humor in it, it just gets circulated.
So I was watching this Kanan Gill ka Yours Sincerely on Netflix, his new stand-up
Don't give
special.
me any spoilers. I'm halfway into it.
Not okay. I'm not giving any spoilers. But he had released a video also about it on YouTube, which is like in the first 5 minutes only. So he says that Indians have a concept of time pass. So time pass is like an activity also. That
And
what
a
do you
way
want
to
to
describe
do?
it.
We just want to time pass. Yeah, and it's a way to review things also. Okay, how was that show? Is like it was time pass. So I think time pass करने के लिए ना हम ये सारी चीजें कर रहे हैं, like dalgona coffee, cooking.
तो आई थिंक अभी
वैसे मैंने
ये
भी
वाला
ट्राई किया है.
कॉन्सेप्ट टाइम पास का कॉन्सेप्ट हम इंटरनेशनली स्प्रेड कर सकते हैं बिकॉज एवरीवेयर
हाँ, कर सकते
इंटरनेशनली
हैं.
लोग अब टाइम पास ही कर रहे हैं तो आई थिंक
इस
हम
टाइम पास के
इंडियंस
चक्कर
से
में मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा. आई हैव लर्न सो मेनी रेसिपीज नाउ.
व्हाट डू यू
I
मेक
have I have learned to make momos. I have learned to make biryani. I have learned to make nice kathi rolls
डू यू हैव
of
समवन हु
things
कैन
now.
वाउच फॉर इट लाइक समवन एल्स हु टेस्टेड एंड डिड नॉट डाई
Yeah, well, my parents are alive, so and they seem to be happy about it.
इज इट बिकॉज दे फील कि समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग अबे एक्चुअल मोमोज तो मिल नहीं सकते सामर्थ की मोमोज से
यार
काम
सच
चला लेते
बताऊं तो ये
बिकॉज
I think
सबका
सच बताऊं तो ये भी हो
स्टैंडर्ड बहुत
सकता
लो
है.
हो गया ना इस टाइम पे एक्सपेक्टेशंस काफी लो है
But ठीक है. I mean, we have found a lot of other things also to do. People have been doing, a lot of group video calls. I think in the first few 10 days, I remember that a lot of people were posting on Instagram, like on their stories, the whole, that video calls with like 10
10
boxes,
people
20 boxes, people like looking like कि अर्नब के शो पे आए हुए हैं सब लोग एकदम ऐसे.
यार मुझे तो बहुत pretend करना पड़ा. I mean, a lot of my friends called me on these video calls and they were like, "Oh, this is so nice. You almost feel like you're sitting in front of me." I
No,
think
but
वो
how
दिल
do
को
10
तसल्ली
people
देने के लिए
talk
हुआ है बात.
together? How do 10 people talk together
And
on a video call?
all the 10 people also go awkward together. So if there's a silence, all 10 people would be silent. And you'd be like, okay, fine, who's going to be the next icebreaker? Which is a lot of pressure, I guess. You don't have
But
that in
who are
real
these
life.
people who have so much good internet for 10 people on a video call?
Don't. There's always
I
one person who's like going and coming back and going and coming back.
What do you think about the people who are working from home right now during the lockdown?
They're all making
Do you think they would
excuses.
be
At least in Jammu and
no
Kashmir.
no do you think as usual?
Because we don't
But do
have
you
internet.
think
I mean, तुम जले पे नमक छिड़क रहे हो यार. You're talking like asking the wrong person about it.
well you don't have a lot of rights also, but nobody is cribbing about it.
Let's not go there.
But about the
But
work
yeah.
from home thing, like, so I was speaking to one of my friends, and so I thought like work from home would be like really nice because now she's at home and she doesn't have to wake up early,
Hmm.
to leave for office and stuff.
Hmm.
And then when I called her, like, she was full like bashing about work from home, and
Hmm.
she was like, it is the worst thing that has happened to her because she has to handle her kid, she has to handle the house because now there are no maids or anybody allowed in the house.
Hmm.
So the cleaning of the house, cooking, and so many other things. And at the same time, she has to be on these big video calls
False.
with a lot of people. So I think work from home is not very like it looks charming, it looks great, but I don't think it's so great right now during the lockdown.
I think
I
work
think people
from
would be
home,
craving to go to office.
yeah, because work from home comes in the category of all the things that people thought they would really enjoy, like being at home all the time, sleeping for like 10, 20 hours straight, not taking a shower, like not having to go to office every day. These were things that people used to think यार बहुत मजा आएगा करेंगे तो, but now they've been given this reality check where now they value the going out and having a routine and
अब तो बेचारे वेट
eating.
कर रहे होंगे यार कब लॉकडाउन खुले और ऑफिस
हाँ,
पहुंच जाएं सुबह 8 बजे
and I
और
don't think
काम करें
anybody
बैठ
is
के.
going to crib a Monday for a very long time now. Everyone was like, ठीक है
I,
यार,
I think the
nice, we
whole
do want to
concept
go
of
there.
Monday blues is going to go away.
Go
ये
away.
Monday blues
Nobody would
खत्म
want to
होने
stay
वाला है.
home.
Before we go ahead, I have a small announcement to make. We are now live on Instagram. Follow our handle RCTPod for updates on future episodes and some amazing new content that we will be posting on it. You can now also write to us with your questions, feedback, and suggestions to our email ID, which is rainingchatsandtalks@gmail.com. I repeat, rainingchatsandtalks@gmail.com. We are always excited when our listeners reach out to us. So please feel free to share your views with us. And with that, let's get back to the episode. People have found some new crazy things also, like Ludo. And मेरे
Dude.
हिसाब से Ludo is going to be a reason for a lot of breakups and a lot of
No, I think you've
friendships
been
being
you've been
lost.
you've been looking at this wrong side of Ludo. What I have come across is very interesting.
पहले तो मुझे ये बताओ लूडो खेलनी कौन सी होती है क्योंकि प्ले स्टोर पे एंड एवरीवेयर एल्स
मीका
देर
वाली
आर
मीका वाली
no
खेलनी होती है.
that will discuss in a while, but there are so many apps. There is a king, there is a world, there is a star, then there is a star 2, there is a world 2. I mean, why are they making so
Dude,
many
and I
Ludo
never
apps?
in my life thought कि Ludo में भी modifications होंगी. I played this Ludo with power-ups. I think you would know about this. I mean, it's so complicated and Ludo is not supposed... I think you get the hang of it by the time you play 2-3 games,
Yeah,
but not initially, dude. Initially, you just cuss and cuss. And you're like, what is this? I'm supposed to be relaxing playing Ludo, but this is just another level of pressure.
but Ludo has become like a very big craze in the market right now. Like everybody seems to be playing Ludo at least. Like that's one thing that I think 95% people would have done in the lockdown. I'm pretty sure about
But
that.
what is the
Ludo तो खेला ही
motivation
होगा
behind it?
मतलब.
So I asked one of my friends who plays a lot of Ludo, and they're a couple. I'm like, really? I mean, the most interesting thing for you to do right now is like playing Ludo virtually. And we're like, no, we give bets to each other. So whoever wins gives a naughty bet to the other person. I'm like, really? Like, this is how you make it interesting for yourself?
But एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज मेरे को मिली है, which is Mika singing the official song for Ludo.
Hello?
And apparently this was uploaded by Ludo King like a year ago. I think probably some part of some ad campaign that they had. And it's really really funny. It sounds like something like this.
हाय लम्हे खुशी के देखो उतरे ज़मीं पे हंसी अब चेहरे पे है हर किसी के छोटे और बड़े सबकी बाजी लगी है मस्ती में कोई कमी अब नहीं है जो भी खेले वो कहे कि ऐसा कोई गेम नहीं हो घर हो ऑफिस या गार्डन में खेलो इसे जाएगा ही लूडो किंग आओ खेले लूडो किंग नंबर 1 है लूडो किंग आओ खेले लूडो किंग नंबर 1 है लूडो
So what are your like thoughts about it?
My thought is, has Mika watched this himself?
Okay, so my question is why are they highlighting Ludo so much? Ludo has been in the market as a game for so many years now. I remember playing Ludo the more traditional way, like on like a board game, like a proper offline thing. And when in the summer vacations and all, we all of us cousins and everybody used to gather at some place and we used to play Ludo. And we had snakes and ladders on the other side of that board. So why now Ludo has been marketed in a different way altogether, like it's a new game?
Before I watched that ad, I had a lot of respect for Ludo, by the way. I would like play it
I had a lot of
like a very
respect for
classy.
Mika also. I had a lot of respect for
No,
Mika
Mika
also.
का
Like,
respect he had lost बहुत पहले.
this song should get coronavirus. That's the only punishment that I can give right now. I want people to see this and unfollow Mika on Instagram if they're following.
No, I think
I
you're
think
taking
that's
revenge. I think you want people to go through the same torture that you went.
or just stop playing Ludo, guys, please. There are
do
better
you want to
games
start
out
with
there.
yourself?
I don't play Ludo King at all. I play a lot of other Ludos, but I don't play Ludo King. And
हाँ,
have
there
you
are
seen
variants.
have you seen the whole design of that app? It looks like from the 90s. I think there should be some better things that people should be doing. Like, so what I did was I took up learning Spanish.
Do you want to show the listeners like a taste of it? Like tell them
No, I can just say like good morning, good evening, all of those basic stuff.
in Spanish.
I can just say that. I can just say that.
Okay. So if
I
you go to
can say
Spain,
very
all you're going to
important
say
thing.
to people is good morning and good evening. Nothing
See,
else.
no. So I have learned the most important sentence that I wanted to learn in Spanish, which is "Yo necesito dinero," which means I need money. And That's the only thing I'm going to say when I go to Spain. Yo necesito dinero. Okay, so what are the other like what are the other problems like you have faced during the lockdown that you like that is not possible for you? For me, is like getting a haircut done. I really want to get a haircut done, and I'm very like irritated and frustrated now with it.
I think all girls would relate with me when I say I like my basic group, obviously, is what I was missing. But I managed that to do. Like one of my friends helped me, and we managed. But still, it's something that we need quite often, and which you cannot seem to get in this lockdown. So it's the same as like guys haircut. But yeah, लड़कों के लिए तो I mean people who've got girlfriends and guys are very lucky. They've been getting haircuts in a very romantic way. I've been watching these videos and they're very
सी
cute.
दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम ना। यही प्रॉब्लम है। अनुष्का ने एक वीडियो डाल दी, विराट ने एक वीडियो डाल दी, तो सबको लग रहा है कि उसकी उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड्स अच्छे से बाल काट दें। ऐसा नहीं होता है यार। प्लीज़ डोंट ट्राई। ठीक है, प्लीज़ डोंट ट्राई डूइंग these things at home. These things should be done only by some professionals.
Professional
So once
supervision.
the locked exactly, so once the lockdown opens, please go to a proper salon and get a haircut. Please don't try it at home.
I think one of my friend's girlfriend did not know कि trimmer के वो होते हैं. What is this? What are they called? Like they have scales, right? 1, 2, 3, and the number of like.
हाँ,
So
yeah,
she
yeah,
didn't
yeah.
know that it's supposed to like operate like that. She just thought like it's a trimmer and it'll trim. And apparently it wasn't the highest thing, and he got a bald head, and half of his head is bald. So he takes his selfies and all his pictures from the left because he has hair on the left side of the head. So it's very creepy, but that's the reality. That's what happens if you're non-celebrities.
A similar thing happened with my dad too, because so he also really wanted to have a haircut done. So what he did was he didn't tell me, and he took my the beard trimmer, which is definitely not meant for cutting your hair, and that's why it's called a beard trimmer.
I think it's an honest
But he
mistake,
didn't
yeah.
realize. Yeah, it's an honest mistake, but it's a very ugly mistake also, and please don't try it.
So did your mom not sleep with him or look at him for a few days after that? Or was she fine
No,
with
no,
it?
he just had to wear like a cap all the time, and especially during summers. So that's it.
I
That's the
feel
only
for
change
your
that has come
father, man.
into.
Like I know the guys and their obsession with hair.
Yeah, I know. There's a very big obsession. There's a very big obsession that guys
But what
have,
is it?
and
Like
so do women have.
no, I think guys with men think कि आज हमारे बाल अगर अच्छे से
But
set हुए
वैसे
हैं, we're
लड़कियों के
definitely
बाल
gonna score
काटने
a
भी
lot
क्या
of
होते
girls.
हैं? अच्छा, आई वांट टू आस्क यू अनदर थिंग। दिस इज वेरी ऑफ टॉपिक, बट ऐसा क्यों होता है? लाइक हमारे मतलब इतने सारे बाल काटने होते हैं, ठीक है, हेयर कट में इतने सारे बाल कटते हैं लड़कों के, और दे चार्ज वेरी लेस, बट फॉर गर्ल्स they cut like a line. They cut just a few inches and they charge a bomb. Why? I just want to know why. I have never got like a proper answer to this, why this happens.
I think it's because girls are more particular about their looks, and it's I don't want to go to the feminist side of it.
इतना पर्टिकुलर है कि वो मतलब सारे पैसे दे आती हैं सिर्फ बाल काटने के लिए, और
हाँ
वो
यार
और
बहुत
लगते भी नहीं है
लड़कियां
कि
ज्यादा
बाल कटने
संकी
कई बार
होती हैं
तो।
when it comes to looks and how you're looking, and because it's made like that, the society is made like that.
So what TV shows are you watching during this lockdown?
A
You start with
lot,
something
man. I
new?
think this is the first time that I've started so many shows and movies, and all of them are left hanging. Because there's this one movie I'm watching with my dad. There's this other movie I watched with my mother, and there's a series I'm watching with my brother. So whoever of them is free would come and watch it with me. So there are a lot of movies and a lot of shows I've binge watched. I
But the good
don't
thing
even
is
have the
that
count now.
Prime and Netflix and all the other OTT platforms like Hotstar, they're all releasing a lot of content also like regularly now.
Ha,
Like every
exactly.
week, I see a lot of good content coming, a lot of good movies, a lot of good TV shows. I think the most recent one that I saw was I think it was Money Heist. Probably, I don't remember because I had not seen the first three parts, and I think part four came recently in April. So I started with the first part of it. It was a pretty good series. I mean, I did not expect a Spanish series to be so good.
Yeah,
I think
nobody
because
did.
पता है स्पेनिश सीखने की I think inspiration भी वहीं से आई थी मुझे. I
You were
think
so
so. Yeah.
fascinated. Did you watch it in the actual like Spanish audio, or did you switch it? Because for all the people out there, it's very original. It's very nice and actual like Spanish. If you watch it in Spanish, the emotions come out to be very real.
I know, but so with me, the problem is that when I started watching Narcos,
Hmm.
I watched I think probably 4 5 episodes of Narcos when it came, back in the day, and I watched with the whole like Spanish audio and everything, and just to understand what is going on, I had to read the subtitles,
Hmm.
because I think 95% of the whole show is in Spanish only. There's just a
Hmm.
few parts which is in English. So the whole 5 episodes that I watched, I did not understand and follow the story only because I was so busy reading the
Reading the
subtitles.
subtitles. But I
So
think
I
once
had
you
to
get the
go
hang
back
of
again
it,
and
then it
watch it.
becomes easy. Then truly you'll be able to like look at the subtitles and know what's happening.
नहीं नहीं सबटाइटल्स का तो आई थिंक ये इशू हो चुका है कि मैं अब हिंदी मूवीज में भी सबटाइटल्स पढ़ रहा होता हूँ शायद कभी कभी.
You're so used to having them in the bottom.
Exactly. But in Money Heist, I think I watched in the English audio only. I watched like a couple of episodes, like a few scenes and all in
Hmm.
Spanish, just to at least get a feel कि इन लोगों की असली आवाज क्या है,
क्या
and
है?
what is the how the dialogue delivery is, because when they translate it from one language to another language, वो पूरा मतलब the whole dialogue delivery and the way they say it and the whole
Changes.
emotion is lost.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So
it
there
just
are a
changes and
few
it is
scenes,
lost how it should be
especially a
there.
few scenes that should be watched in their original audio only. So what else? What else have you been doing?
So I've been working on my music. I have tried to, make some new music, compose some music, and record it. I think it hasn't worked out well during the lockdown because I made a list of things that I wanted to like complete. Like when the lockdown and everything happened,
Hmm.
I was sort of happy because I thought ki there were so many pending things that I really wanted to finish, and because of my work and everything, I could not finish them. So I made a list of things, and but the whole problem is that since we know that we have the next day also free, and we have a lot of free days in the ahead, so I just keep procrastinating things a lot. I just feel like कि आज नहीं करता हूँ कल कर लेता हूँ. So because of that, it's been like 40-50 days now and I've not completed any of those things from the list.
But I think we can still afford to like delay it, and because we're working on our own deadlines. Imagine there's students who like having online classes uh, going on,
अरे
and school
8 तक के बच्चों
students.
को तो प्रमोट कर दिया नेक्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में, कितना सही है.
इमेजिन उन लोगों के लिए तो खुशी है ना यार, उनके उनके हिसाब से तो
जो
कोरोना
फेल हो
वायरस हर साल होना चाहिए.
या जो फेल हो रहे होंगे ना उनके लिए खुशी है, जो टॉप करने वाले होंगे बेचारे, वो उनके लिए खुशी नहीं होगी ना. I know kids who like study so much, like they're proper nerds and they're about to get like 99.99% and they must have felt so bad कि किसी को पता ही नहीं चला कि हमने टॉप किया था अपनी क्लास में.
और हमें सब कुछ आता था.
Exactly. So it's, I think, bad for them. And I think boards and a lot of other exams that the people were having, like the students were having, they're delayed now.
Yeah.
And abhi tak I don't think there is a set date on like when
Yeah,
the
I think that's
exams
the
how and
main
will be
problem.
happening.
I think uncertainty is the main problem in the lockdown, that you don't know how long it's going to go for. Because if you have a time in your mind and you know कि अच्छा एक महीना है, you plan your things accordingly. But because of the uncertainty, nobody's able to answer कि कौन सी चीज कब शुरू होगी and when will the system be in a proper place ultimately. So people don't know how long to wait.
So what else good and funny, interesting things that have happened in the lockdown?
For
One
me,
that I recall is journalists, all these people on some national news, they were playing Antakshri, which was damn funny, and they were
like
doing it
on
on, they
national
were doing it
news.
live. Yeah, they were doing it on national news. And the most interesting part is that one of the reporters, they gave like a letter, and the other reporter, he could not think of a song from that letter, and
And they
like
waited.
for that 5 minutes they waited on live
Did they
news
open
for
phone
him
lines
to
for it?
sing. No, no, no. I wish they had done that, but they did not do any of those things. But at the end, the guy said that usko nahi aata, so please help him out, and then they're singing songs. I'm
And
like,
I'm
Corona
sure
virus
there'll
चल
be
रहा
a
है, लोग मर रहे हैं. And the worst part is, the ironical thing is that नीचे हेडलाइंस में लिखा आ रहा है कि 8,000 केस हो गए हैं कोरोना वायरस के महाराष्ट्र में. वो अंताक्षरी खेल रहे हैं.
बट प्रॉब्लम यही है ना कि जो लोग अंदर घर पे बैठे हैं उन लोगों को वो इतने वेले हैं कि उन लोगों को कोरोना वायरस तो नहीं हो रहा है अभी इफ दे इनसाइड, बट दे डेफिनेटली सो आइडल दैट दे वुड वॉच दैट 5 minutes of idle time of journalists playing Antakshari on TV. They'll be okay with that
No, I
because
think Arnab is more entertaining than
Arnab Goswami
Antakshari.
तो उसकी भी लाइफ बहुत हैपनिंग चल रही है. See, there are a few bunch of people and very interesting people who have a very interesting life
Exactly,
going on right now.
exactly. And Arnab is, I think I like Arnab because he's a very good content creator. And in the lockdown also, he's creating such good content for all of his audience on his TV channel. So I think Arnab is not a journalist or a reporter. He's a content creator, and that's how people
Yeah,
should
that's how
address him.
people like Kunal Kamra are surviving, man. I mean, every day of his life is one negative post about, like, not negative, but funny and like pointing out at Arnab. So that's what
See,
we like.
having a career like Kunal Kamra is quite easy. All you need to have is somebody you hate, and then you make content on that person or
Yeah.
that group of people.
But I think one of the negative things that have come out during the lockdown, which I really felt bad for, was we lost two legends of Bollywood, and so many people could not be there for them just because of the social distancing thing going on. I mean, imagine Rishi Kapoor dying and Amitabh, people like Amitabh Bachchan, such close friends, not
Yeah,
being able
Rishi
to
Kapoor's
attend.
daughter was in Delhi, and I think she was given some special permission and some pass to travel from Delhi to Mumbai by road, and I think,
But
and
I
she
think
made
even
it
then
there.
she could not attend it on time during the last riots because I,
I'm
sorry,
not sure.
I mean, I'm not trying to be funny, but I remember Alia Bhatt was being trolled for holding a phone in the last riots, and later it was like they realized it was actually a video call that was being done by Rishi Kapoor's daughter just to be there, like present during the last riots, which is very sad. I mean, imagine so many people would have wanted to attend and be there for his family, which they could
Right.
not.
Yeah, and for Irfan, I think we lost a very good and a very versatile actor from the Bollywood, and
Hmm.
he had done such amazing work like Life of Pi, and the most recent movie that I watched was Angrezi Medium, and one night before, I had finished watching Angrezi Medium. So the
Imagine.
whole news of Irfan Khan, going, and his the news of his demise was so shocking,
That
and
just that
it hurt
just
me so
tells you
badly.
how in it he was. I mean, imagine how active he was in the cinema even when he was not well, and after that, that
Exactly.
you were still
And he's
watching
done
new
some really
content.
amazing work. He's
Yeah,
done some really amazing work. If you see his movie Pan Singh Tomar, if you see his movie Makbool, he's done some insane work in Bollywood and in Hollywood. I mean, he was recognized as an international star now. I think Angelina Jolie, a lot of other international Hollywood stars, posted and shared their condolences.
yeah. I do want to mention at this time. There's this thing that my father told me that it's not the amount of years that you spend, it's the amount of work that you do in those years. It's the amount of life that you live in those years. So you
Right,
need not have, like, people have 80, 90 years of life, but they might have not done that much or touched as many people's lives as Irfan Khan did. I mean, imagine everyone from small cinema to big screen cinema has posted pictures of themselves with Irfan Khan. So imagine his scale and range of work. That everyone from web
right.
series actors to like big Bollywood budget films.
Oh, I loved how what he the work that he did with AIB. He made like a song. He shot a song. I think some party song with AIB, and then they shot some dank memes, some video that
Yeah,
they
I
came
remember
out
that
with.
him associated a lot with the IB.
Yeah, it was so good.
So I think it's the amount of like work that you do and the amount of inspiration you give to other people. He's lived a very brilliant life. I'm really happy for him.
So a lot of other Bollywood actors have been up to different things. Some people are posting their workout videos on Instagram, and people like Amitabh Bachchan and some other Bollywood actors like Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Diljit Dosanjh, and some South actors that I don't know. They made a very nice black and white short film.
Movie about the
Uh,
lockdown, yeah.
yeah, and it was really nice, and in that, Amit Ji loses his black glasses and he's trying to find it. So Diljit Dosanjh, I think he keeps on going to each and every Bollywood artist and a Bollywood actor and actresses, and he keeps asking that if they have seen the glasses or not. So it's really nice, and the content is really light, and at the end, I think they find the glasses.
I think they do. I think it's kept by Amitabh
Yeah,
Bachchan
yeah.
himself.
Yeah, I think they find the glasses, and then Amitji says that why were, and I think somebody asked, I think Priyanka Chopra asked that why were you looking for these glasses, and then he says I was just looking for them so that they don't get lost.
It's you could make bizarre content, you could make good content even if you're home, and this is something I'd never seen before, dude. I mean,
I think the few things that I liked about it was that how they shot the whole film as like a black and white film, and I think that was a really good choice because that ways you can eliminate a lot of flaws that that could make like a continuity problem that is there
oh,
during videos. क्योंकि अगर अगर वो black and white नहीं होता तो हर घर different लग रहा होता,
colors and
हर
oh,
location अलग लग रही होती, the walls would have been different colors, the sofas would have been different color, the lighting would have been different. So just to fix all of those things they did black and white, so it made everything like put under like a symmetry, and it solved the whole continuity problem. So I think it was really nice to see all of those things, and how they like put everything together, each small clip by the
and it
actor and
inspires a lot
actresses.
of people to do the same. I mean, a lot of my, okay, fine, celebrities ka work gets spotted, but a lot of my friends, people around me, have been doing a lot of creative stuff, making vlogs. I mean, people were making vlogs before, but they've created some great content just by being home. That just tells you how talented people are, and how this, I won't call it pressure, but they are coming up with good things. I mean, I don't see content stopping. It's just, I think it's increased, in fact.
Yeah, I've seen, I think there are अब ऐसी I think videos आ चुकी हैं where like they're making this cricket ka videos now, that they're playing cricket at home, like a home edition,
Really?
and they've all shot clips of videos at their home. Somebody's bowling, somebody's keeping. So I think they're doing a lot of fun things now at home also, and I think people are creative, so they have found a lot of things to do at home during this lockdown.
And I think the best thing is, I mean, the happiest people on earth right now are grandparents and pets at home. I mean, because as emotional as it may sound, but I remember my grandparents cribbing for our time and being like, "Tum hamesha bahar rehte ho, why don't you come and sit in our room and talk to us?" No matter how much I tried, but I couldn't give them as much of time. And same goes for my pet. I
Right.
mean, he's so excited. The whole day, his energy doesn't stop. He sees someone and he just starts playing with them, and he's so excited. He's just on the seventh heaven right now.
Okay, so quickly, what are the few takeaways that you are going to take from this, lockdown, that you think that you have learned, and like how you mentioned that spending time with your family, with your pets is so important, that we are in such a rat race of everyday
Hmm.
life that we forget to spend so many good moments with our grandparents, with our pets, with our
Hmm.
friends, and a lot of other people that we have in our lives.
I think as people are saying, there's definitely there was a life pre-corona and there'll be a life post-corona, like pre-lockdown and post-lockdown, and there'll be a lot of changes that are going to stay permanent. Um, we're going to value time with our family, as I said before, and we're going to value the small changes that we can make, and how being together just helps you succumb to like any situation, or no matter how negative everything is around you, just being together as a nation, as like world. I mean, imagine, I look at United States and their news and I feel for the people, because I know they're in the same situation as us. No country is big or small right now, irrespective of the economy, irrespective of how much money they have and how lavish their lifestyles is, that everyone is in the same mess as us. So it just tells you how important all of us are, and if we're together battling something, it's definitely going to go. And
Right.
there'll be one time where every one of us will be out laughing, continuing our lives. But at the same time, if we are equally conscious about Earth, if we're equally conscious, because now people realize, it's just I think it's karma playing its way. And now we
Right.
know, I mean, a lot of the climate specialists were trying to convince us about the consequences that we might have to face. And, but people were just not listening. Everyone was busy making nuclear weapons. That does not make sense anymore. I mean, wars is still very infrequent. Something like this, I mean, having money sidelined for something, for a pandemic, is more important than building nuclear weapons. And I think countries know this for a fact now, and they would be investing
Right.
in the right places. They would be investing in hospitals, medical infrastructure, there would be increasing doctors' salaries, because at the end of the day, it's the lives and the health that matters. Everything else is we can build later if we have 100% health and our family with us.
Well, I think for me, what I have learned, during this lockdown is that I have started to observe and realize the smaller things, I think now. And, things like just cleaning our houses and maintaining, so many things in our houses and how they look so intact all the time. I think
Yeah.
in all of those things, there's a lot of effort that goes, and we don't really, really appreciate or give the due credit. So
Hmm.
like I just said that I have been learning a lot of new recipes, and now that I'm cooking almost every second day, I realize that even cooking is such a big task.
It
And
is.
our mothers, our grandmothers, and a lot of other people at our home, whoever is cooking for you, I think we it's time that we start appreciating all of those tasks, the everyday tasks that we do. And I think they are really important in our lives. And not just appreciate, I think now, we should take some responsibility. Let's say even if you have, like, after lockdown opens and you're going to your office, I think probably on a Saturday or Sunday you should give some rest to your helpers and your domestic help, to your mother, to your father, and just help them. All right. So now I think it's time to take some recommendations. Do you have anything that you would want to recommend? Any music, movie, any TV show, or any books that you would want to recommend to our 10, 11 listeners that we have?
No, I'm sure there'll be more. But I think we've watched a lot of content um, online, and I did not watch a lot of fiction. I only watch documentaries. So there's this migrant documentary that's called Living Undocumented, and for people who want to look into like how migrants live in other countries, I mean, it's a very real series, and it's very emotional, and you would kind of connect with the people
Okay.
and know about their piece. So Living Undocumented on Netflix is very good, and I think everyone should at least watch one or two episodes of it.
So I would like to recommend a book, and it's called Day to Day Economics, and it is by Satish Deodar. He's mentioned a lot of common concepts, like, that are everywhere around us about economics, and he's explained in a very easy layman terms. So there's a lot of concept, like complex theories and concepts that we do not understand. So the whole book is about that only, and it's a very light and a very easy breezy read. And if you're interested to read about that, and if you can get, I think, a Kindle edition for $150. So if you have a Kindle, and or if Amazon is delivering to your home, you can definitely order one. So yeah, I'll suggest Day to Day Economics by Satish Deodar. If you liked the episode, don't forget to subscribe or follow us wherever you are listening. You can also give us a nice rating, or probably just 5 stars, on Apple Podcasts. This is really important as it helps more people to discover us. We'll see you next time. Till then, take care and keep smiling.